We live on a big farm.
We're going to go see the mini donkeys. Ow. Wait, will they bite?
I think they're a bit shy.
Go behind. Oh, he's biting my fingers.
I think they're very fluffy and nice.
They're not shy now.
The donkeys are happy now that they have food. They are not shy and they're cute and they have long hair with the foot.
Go up.
We're going to see the cows. They're a little bit shy and they're also cute.
These cows are 3 months old and they're still kind of like babies. I think that they're adorable and cute.
These are miniature cows. Their names are Oreo and Half Point.
They do look like Oreos, but I wouldn't want to eat them.
I think they're really cute because they're fluffy. We also got a pig. Her name is called Matilda. Hi, Matilda. She loves being scratched. We love living on a farm.
Bye!